Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video, I wanted to go over the digital wireless system, specifically something that we talked about in the last video, the DVR upgrade. We showed you in the last video that that is something that is now available. We got a big response because at the time you had to call in to order it. But what we've done is we have now added it as a feature to the website. So if you want it, you could just go to the multi-camera systems and do it there. I wanted to show you how to do that. Also, if you stick with me to the end of the video, it's only going to be a couple of minutes. I have a special little bonus for all of you people that signed up for our emails. So give me 1 second here. So here we are on the multi-camera page. I'll also put a link in the email and the YouTube page. And we're going to go into let's go into this one here with the license camera, two side cameras, and the RV. That one's $1,000. It is compatible with getting the DVR upgrade. All you do is you choose the type of monitor that you want. You go to the monitor section that you see right here, and we're going to choose the 7-inch monitor or mirror or 9-inch that has the DVR upgrade. Then the price is going to adjust accordingly, but the point is that you don't have to call in for that feature. You can just get it directly on the site and customize it to your needs. Obviously, you're always welcome to call. We love talking to people, but some people prefer to just do it online. So we made it easier for you guys to do that. Other than that, we've also gotten a lot of phone calls lately about they want to see how the side cameras are installed and how the camera looks when it's done and how the monitor works. So we actually have a video from a customer that was here a couple of months ago. So I thought maybe if I showed you guys, you'll feel more comfortable with the installation. So this video here that you're going to see is a customer that installed it. They actually did it in a really smart way. They put the cameras in the front of the vehicle, and it's basically about 5 feet off the ground. They leveled it so it looks nice, and then they just adjust that ball to get that perfect image that they want. But look how it's, how close it is to the vehicle. There's no gap. There's also that rubber seal between the camera and the vehicle. The only thing that goes out there is one cable for the power, and then you just lock it in. Same thing, you could see it here on the driver's side, 5 feet above the ground, locked it in. You pivot the ball. It looks really nice. It's sleek. I would have put it up maybe a little higher so that it's black on black, but either way, I think that looks really cool. Now let's walk over to the bird's eye view camera in the back. See how that was installed. I mean, this looks beautiful. You got that grommet closing it in. That's basically covering the power cable and the pairing button because it's digital. It needs to pair. That's how you get the 150-foot range. There's our long antennas. Remember, you actually get different types of antennas with the purchase itself. So that might be something that you might want to take advantage of, depending on your needs. And that's basically how the cameras look. This guy here had a belt, not a belt, a ladder that he used it with. But the next thing that we had here was the monitor itself. We wanted to show you guys how that looks. So here is the split screen. Remember, they only did 3 cameras. So that's why you have that black box there. But here we're seeing them in the back. You're seeing the 2 side cameras, the pop-up. Imagine if you're using this as security, how useful that's going to be. Remember, the monitor just one plug with a cigarette adapter. You take it to the back and you're good to go. He's showing you, let me go through that again. He's showing you the one camera at a time mode when you're scrolling through it. So it's giving you different views of the camera itself. And that's basically that setup. Now, as regarding the bonus that I was talking about, if you guys are watching this video, it's because you signed up for our emails and you were looking at our multi-camera systems. So what I'm doing is to make it easier for everybody. We want people to get that DVR upgrade. So I'm including in the email a voucher for $200 on any of the multi-camera systems. So that doesn't cover the entire the DVR, but it gets you there. If you choose you don't want it, the 200 is still good. So if it's a $900 system, put in the voucher, you'll get it for 700. We just want you guys to get upgrades. We want you to enjoy it. We want you to get the best that you can possibly get. The voucher is good until the 17th of December, so you want to take advantage of that. We're trying to get these moving on the website. If you're watching this on YouTube, you might want to sign up for our emails. If it comes in before the 17th, you'll get that email. We'll honor that for you. If you want to call us, our American-based team is here waiting to answer any of your questions. You can reach us at 866-966-5550. If you want to talk to me directly, my name is Tamir. I'm here all day. I'll answer any of your questions. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, and we hope to hear from you soon.